I fitted the tow bar to this 2019 Kia Sportage, and I've been desperately trying to find wiring coloured or wiring diagrams for it, because this loom just down here on the passenger side rear wheel arch, if I can get a better focus of that, that's wicked enough. That loom down there, that is the main loom to the bumper, so that's got all the lights and also the wiring that goes to the AdBlue system, the dosing system. Now this wire that goes into this light here, this tail light here, that controls just the brake light and stop light, and they're really easy to work out. There's a pink wire and a green wire. I'll put in the description what they actually do, but you can tap into those really easily, and I've got a wire that goes up in there and taps into those. But this lot here, it's a bit of an unknown, and I spoke to a friend of mine who's fits tow bars for a living, and asked him, how do you work this stuff out without having to mess around? And he said you get these fluke style wire piercers and a crocodile clip, and what he does is he puts it on his test probe. Obviously don't put any power out of your test probe when you do this. Connect it up, and it's gonna say there's a ground here at the moment, so I connect it on and we get a beep. But when I go inside the car now, if we come in there and we listen carefully, if I go fog lights on, and then the rears, there's a brake as they come on and off. I don't know if you can hear the beep, but it beeps, goes off slightly. So I know now that the wire that I'm on, which is the pink and black, is the fog light. And let me just do the same for the indicators, 1 second. So now I've put the hazards on, see? And we've got a test meter going crazy on one of the pink wires. Now I'm going to guess that when I pick the other pink wire, that's also going to be an indicator. So I now need to go and check each one individually with the indicators on left and right and see which one is the right indicator. So let's check. So I'm now on the white wire, and the white wire is my right hand indicator and the pink wire is the left hand indicator. So now I've just got to find reversing light. So let's try that. So I kind of got a bit carried away, didn't finish my video but put the car back together. So these lights here, which is your side light and stop light, is so there you go, pink for the side light, green for the brake light. And then in your lower lights I've now worked out, so pink and black is the fog light, blue is the reverse light, white is the right indicator, and pink is the left indicator. Now there's 2 pink wires in that loom that's up in here, so be careful. They were kind of split into 2 bunches. One bunch was for the AdBlue system and the other bunch was for the bumper. So it's the bunch that's sort of to the right is all your lights. So if you can't test them, just kind of keep to the right hand side bunch. I'm going to put this in the comments, and I hope this video helps people. Cheers.